kiss her eyes, yes. You can give me loved ones when I got home. What about you, Missy?
You got 17 of them?
Yep.
I like baby
I
shoulders.
say you are gonna melt the ice cream.
Okay.
Sorry, Mom, but I can't let go before. Really sorry.
No. Thank you. How about Tinkerbell fairy hair?
I don't have any. Okay.
It's magical hair. I like the puppy. Get hours away from me, no poodles.
That's gonna melt.
I actually heard homeless
Melt
people yelling about dogs that weren't
Whoa.
over there.
Tessia, what are you doing?
Everyone loves wax in their ice cream.
And they love
Believe
melted
it.
ice cream.
Just as yummy and waxy cake, but it's okay.
Sorry about that. Sheesh. Just,
Yeah, Jesus.
I said sheesh.
Maybe he wants to go to college at Kinesis.
Look, there's a light.
Come on,
This is why I don't want to get any older.
Don't worry,
Whoop,
after this
sorry.
you don't get candles anymore.
Hey.
I've never seen anyone put candles on my cake, have you?
And that's just because women don't like to admit how old they are.
True. I get to be 29 again.
Ah!
And
Nah!
he gets to be 27 again because he's worked
Like
from
what?
home. We ready?
Yep.
Okay,
Yes.
you ready, Tessia?
Oh, come on, Tessie. I got the camera. Yeah.
Happy Thursday to you.
Jacob didn't take the video yet.
Yeah.
No, I'm still taking a video, see?
Go.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Tessia.
Cha-cha-cha. Hey.
Happy birthday to you.
Make what's going on. Yeah, come on.
Spitting wax.
Where's Tessia's present?
I didn't get one.
No, you got
A single drop of wax.
a single? Oh,
Wait,
God.
keep recording so
Uh-oh.
you can see what she gets for her birthday.
Alright.
I just wanted to get the sherbet on the candles.
Oh, really?
Here's me and Jacob got you these ones.
I guess me and Mom got you this one.
Okay. Give me a second.
Open thing.
Come on, Tessia.
Hurry up.
Okay. Happy Christmas!
Yeah.
Kwanzaa now.
That one is for
Oh,
me.
yeah. Happy Kwanzaa.
So we didn't want to
That
throw
one
it
is
away.
for me.
What is that?
The makeup bag.
Oh, yay! Well, I didn't hold my other makeup bag. Thank you.
The other one's mine. Hold on.
He got this one.
Unicorn!
Sorry, dude.
It's actually pretty good. I was jealous when I got his.
Oh, really? Oh, so it should give you
Ice
both
cream on
it.
the front.
So it won't.
You did give us both of it.
No, I gave.
Dad, there's ice cream on the front.
I made on Christmas.
That's
Thank you
what
for
I have right now.
Wonka.
Oh, nerd.
Yeah. I
Are
gave
you saying
you.
that she was what she eats?
I'm Jansen. Jealous. Mine's bigger than yours.
Isn't that cool? Guess who it is? Oh my God!
This one's going on the wall.
No, you have to wear it.
But it's his face. I won't be able to look at it all the time.
Sure you will.
I have to look down and it'll be upside down.
What is that? Charcoal.
For drawing.
I figured you're
You
very...
know how bad I am with charcoal?
That's what artists use.
I'll do it. I'll have it.
Yeah,
I'll have it.
No, they
Yeah,
have like
that means you need practice.
I got
You
19
have good
minutes
at
and
practice?
50 seconds.
Yes. Do it all the time, don't you?
no. If I can't do something the first time, I give up.
No.
There's nothing else in there. Nothing else in there.
I can try using charcoal.
Nothing else in there.
I don't know.
Did we do good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Now let's eat.
I'm
Eat.
sure she'd love the David
Okay.
Tennant one.
Now I have
How you
Matt
end?
Smith
She'd
and
love
David
the
Tennant's
Tennant
faces.
one.
Wait, do I push this in order to end?
That's true, that doctor is a David Tennant.
Yep.
What's the same one?
No, two different doctors. We got our shirts with two different
Yeah, there's
doctors.
12 doctors.
Did it on purpose.
Technically, there are only 11 right now.
Oh.
I only count 10 because number 8 doesn't really count because it was in a movie, not the actual show.
I'll watch the show, so
Okay, how you end?
He's on his 11th life. He's like 1300 years old.
Look, here's a
Okay, how do I turn...
He only gets 13 lives.
how do I end it?
Button again.
Ice cream on the front.
Well,
It's still
a
doing
towel.
it.